Hey everyone, in this video we're going to go over my top 6 essential tools for hanging drywall. Now let's get into it. Hey everybody, today we're going to go through the 6 tools that I keep with me when I'm hanging drywall. Number 1, your knife. This is a fixed blade. It doesn't retract obviously because it's a fixed blade. So I do have a sheath that's in my tool pouch, pointy side down, and you'll be safe. The next one I have here, drywall saw. I'll usually use this for cutting out areas that I can't get to with my actual cutout tool. I don't always reach for this, but when I need it, it's there. Third tool is the rasp. Once you've cut the edge of the drywall, you've snapped it, you're gonna get left with a rough edge, and this will help smooth that out. So when you put that new piece of cut drywall up against the wall, you don't end up with a nasty gap because you have this jagged edge that's pushing it out. Fourth tool, tape measure. Always keep one. This one's a 16 footer in particular. If you're working with 4x8 sheets, 4x10s or 12s, really that's all I've ever needed. Never needed more than that 16 footer. Now, moving on to the power tools, we have cordless tools here. This one in particular is a cutout tool. It has a bit here that helps you track against the box that you have to cut out. So you'll end up plunging it and then you basically run around the box, and that helps you cut out that little piece of drywall that goes over the box. This will save you a lot of time versus using this drywall saw, pre-measuring, cutting for the box, and likely missing that cutout. So this definitely helps a lot. And this right here, your drywall gun, in particular a Makita, model number DFS452. Brushless model. This one has a nice little feature where you can keep the trigger in position. So once you're ready to go and you apply pressure, it's ready to go for you. So these 6 tools are the ones that I always have in my tool pouch. You like that video? Hit that like button, subscribe. We'll see you in the next one.